Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChim. Today I'm going to teach you if you are getting bored at home and your phone is not with you, then how you can have fun. Just open Google Chrome and search this website poki.com. You can see there are thousands of Android games available here. You can play these games in just one click. You don't need to install it on PC or phone, just directly open website and start playing. For example, I am playing this Subway Surfer game. You can use arrows to play this game. Same as it is, if I want to play Temple Run game, then just click on Temple Run and start playing. Here you can play other games too, like Bubble Shooter. I hope this website will never let you get bored. If you like this video, click subscribe button to learn new tricks. Thank you.